Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off safe mode on your Android phone. Now, on your Android phone, the first thing we need to do is get to the power menu. So you can either swipe down one and swipe down again, and you'll be able to see that power icon. So again, if you're in just normal, swipe down one from the top right, swipe down two to get there. Or you can also just press and hold on the power button. Now from here, if you just tap power off, it will just turn your phone off. However, if you press and hold on it, we can get to the safe mode. So let's press and hold on power. And now it says tap again to restart your phone in safe mode. So let's just tap on it. I'll show you what it looks like and how to get out of that safe mode once it restarts in safe mode. So you can see on here the entire screen goes black because it's rebooting in safe mode. And after it does that, you'll be able to see at the bottom left, it will indicate that it's in safe mode. So you can always tell if your phone is or is not currently in that safe mode by that little icon at the bottom left indicating that it is in it or not. So then you can see safe mode at the bottom left. Now I'm going to unlock my phone here. And you can see I'm in safe mode, which restricts the functionality of that phone. However, I can get out of safe mode by swiping down from the top left to get to my notifications. And there is safe mode is on, tap here to turn off safe mode. So I can just tap on that notification. Another option is just to restart your phone and it will automatically restart not in safe mode or turn it off. So again, press and hold the power button. And then you can just hit restart and restart. By restarting it, it will restart with the safe mode turned off. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.